In the middle of class, Bemo's stomach suddenly growls. His friends look at him. Bemo feels embarrassed. But why does our stomach make that sound? Even when we are not eating, the stomach and intestines keep moving. This movement is called peristalsis, which pushes food through the digestive system. Inside the stomach, there is a mix of air, liquid, and food. When the stomach muscles move, these contents shift and create sound. When the stomach is empty, there is no food to soften the sound, so the movement of the stomach becomes louder. So a growling stomach is completely normal. It simply means your digestive system is doing its job.